Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday. It's actually today, Saturday, November the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary with 4 stars. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this will be number 9606. 9606. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. By the way, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits here. Alright. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see 4 single boxes here, or here, and there. Single boxes always a 1. Here 1, there 1, here and there. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about the triple box? I see here 1 triple box. These 2 boxes can be 1 box left, and 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left. The triple box contains the 1, 2, and the 3. Well, 2 numbers left, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about corner box? I see here one corner box. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, then here another one. This box has the same number as that box. It's rotated. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, another one here. This box is the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then let me see. Yeah. These, well. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so 2. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Is connected with that box 4 and 5, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box will be a 5. Is connected with that box will be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for number 4. And the 5 we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes in there. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 3. And the 4 we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it's been 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then let me see. Come on. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. So 3 and 4 is also connected with that box. So 3 and 4. Okay. So we need a 5 in this area. I cannot place the 5 there, because if I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box, so we saw 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not solution, place the 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be here. So 3 and 4 are left. Is connected with that box, 3 and 4. Okay. Here also 2 numbers left, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or 5 is connected with that box 4 and 5, but we already have 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be so 5. Alright. Then These 3 boxes, surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution, place the 1 there. If you place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, so we have a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So not a solution, place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area, for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, this box will be a 4. Is connected with that box, so 4. Is also connected with that box, so 4. 1 box left now in this area for number 3. 3 or a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. These 2 boxes, oh wait. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area, supposed to be there. And now, 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 2 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers, 4 numbers, 4 and 5. We have 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there, finished in 12 minutes. Told you, should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.